Hey, what's up? Jeff Lerner here. I'm actually at the Entre Mastery event for Entre Institute with some of my closest friends, a couple dozen of my closest friends. You guys want to say hi? Awesome. Thanks, guys. So we've just, we're coming into the tail end of our second day of a really phenomenal event, and we started, not an event, a workshop. I've been corrected. It's a workshop, and we started our workshop by basically asking three questions. We said, what business are you in? What is your biggest challenge? And what did you come to get? What did you come to this workshop to get? And really the trajectory of this two-day event thus far has been reframing that third question. The question of what did I come to get? And what we've discovered, I think you guys, if you agree with what I'm about to say aye. What we've discovered is that it's not about what I came to get. It's about who I need to become to neutralize that challenge. All right. Yes, so we all agree. It's about who do I need to become to render whatever problem or challenge I'm having not a problem or a challenge or something that I have the confidence to know that I can overcome. So, and the cool thing about this, like so many parts of being an entrepreneur, is this isn't just a formula for business. This is a formula for life. So, let's say that in my business I have a sales problem. And if I sit there and I just get all worked up about why aren't people buying stuff? Why are these other people who I can't control, who I don't inhabit, whose brains I don't have access to, why aren't they deciding to buy my stuff? And I give all my power to them. What can I do with that? I'm helpless. I'm rendered impotent against that problem. But if I reframe the question and say, who do I need to become so that sales is no longer an issue? Well, what's the answer to that question? First of all, at least is that a question over which we have some control, over which we have some power? Well, yes, because it's on us. It's about us. It's about the one person on earth over whom we do have some control and in whom we do exist, we do inhabit. So if I want to be a person for whom sales is not a problem, then what do I need to do? I need to learn more about influence. I need to learn more about persuasion. What if I'm constantly running into issues in my business of not knowing where to turn, not knowing how to do stuff, not knowing how to problem solve? Well, okay, so what I'm just going to sit and wait for problems to emerge? I'm going to wait for software to get easier? I'm going to wait for leads to magically stumble onto my store or into my business? What about I need to become a person for whom how to and problem solving is not an issue? Well, what kind of person, who would I need to become to live that existence? Well, my guess as a starting point would be I need to become a person who's better networked. I need to become a person who has access, who has relationships with people who know how to solve these problems. And not only that, I need to become a person who's so naturally value-focused and that I've already built up reciprocity with probably whoever I need to solve my problem, so that if I'm having a web issue, I can call someone and say, hey, this is Jeff. Remember we met at that event? Remember when we sat down and we had that connection and whatever? Listen, I've got an issue. Would you mind helping? I need to become a person who's better networked and has more reciprocity built into all of his relationships, and then problems aren't problems anymore. Because you're always one connection or one solution away, and whatever you don't know, someone else does. So asking the question of, instead of how do I figure out how to, magically, get my website to behave differently, even though it's coded to do a certain thing. No, I need to have a relationship with a person who knows how to do that, and the relationship needs to be of such a nature that they're naturally going to want to help when I ask. It's always about who you need to become. Anyways, I hope that's valuable to you. Guys, we've spent 2 days, I think, discovering this truth. Has it been a valuable truth? Yes. Awesome. Listen, this isn't a pitch to get you to come to this mastery event. This is my desire to bless the lives of those who weren't at this mastery event. This is something that we've worked really hard to realize, and a place that we've worked really hard to get to. And it's our gift to share it with you. I hope this is valuable. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about it. And if there's some part of your life where you feel like maybe who you need to become is the right approach to solving that problem. All right, thanks. Take care.